We all like infographics, don't we? However, it can take a lot of time to create one and also to get various ideas on what to actually create. Well, luckily, ChatGPT together with Canva can help us here greatly. So first, what you need to do is head over to ChatGPT, and then you need to click on Explore GPTs in left-hand side, or on Explore GPTs here by clicking on your icon. When you click there, you search for Canva. So this will search for different plugins. Add Canva, click Start Chat, and that's it. Now you can ask Canva together with GPT to create you many different things. This time we will do infographics. So I already made a couple of examples just to speed up some time. So for example, I asked it to create a visually appealing infographics containing top exercise for weight loss. In a matter of seconds, together with communication with Canva, ChatGPT created those different examples. But those are not here just the examples. Whenever you click on any of those pictures, those infographics, they are being opened in Canva and you can do all of the editing and modifications you need. For example, clicking on this one leads us to Canva. Here you see that complete infographics editable is available for you, and you can then export it, send to print, do whatever you need to do, or share on social media, do whatever you like to do with those infographics. There is also different other examples. For example, let's click this one. 5 tips for weight loss. This is in different dimensions, so you can use whatever you like. Let's try another example. This is also one that I previously did. This one is regarding sleep quality. So I asked it to create a visually appealing infographics on how to improve sleep quality. Again, in a matter of seconds, and this time he actually created 2 different options, and this one looks pretty nice. When you click, it opens again in Canva. As you can see, pretty good infographic created automatically in a matter of seconds. You can do whatever you like with that infographic, share it wherever you want. So actually pretty good. So let's ask a couple of other examples. Let's head on here. I prepared a couple of other examples. Let's try, okay, no, on daily self-care routine. Okay, let's ask it that. Click. Then you need to click allow or always allow. And this is how the process works. So you see, it is creating a couple of different versions of daily self-care or morning routines, etc. So let's see. This one looks pretty okay. Clicking, opening in Canva. So you see, once again, in a matter of seconds, it created different steps for healthy routine, morning routine, skincare routine. You know, it will not be 100% accurate all the time, but you can play with it. You can ask it many different things, and then you can also ask it, you know, to give you a couple of ideas what you can ask it. For example, let's ask it to give me a couple of okay. So health and wellness, then we have morning routine checklist, self-care essentials, healthy eating tips, time management hacks. Okay, let's ask it to create, I don't know. Okay. Allow. Okay. And it created a couple of examples once again. Let's open this one. Let's also open this one. And this one. Those are all pretty good. Yeah, looking very nice. Okay. Time management tips for working from home. Good. Time management techniques to improve productivity. Very good. You can print those into posters, maybe sell on, I don't know, Etsy, on Amazon, wherever. Yeah, how to manage your time better. So yeah, pretty good. In a matter of couple of minutes, we here created, I don't know, maybe 10 examples of different infographics, and all we just providing text prompt, text input to ChatGPT. So yeah, pretty nice. Hope you liked this video. It was useful for you. If it was, please do subscribe and like, and comment if you have any questions, support, or whatever else. Have a great day. Bye bye.